Open the Remitly app or visit Remitly.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open your navigation panel. Now, now select history or transactions to see a list of all your past transfers. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to locate the specific transfer you need documentation for. Tap on that transaction to reveal the full details screen. Here you will see the amount sent, exchange rate, fees, and timestamps. Look for the download receipt button, tap it, and Remitly will generate a PDF of your transaction. Depending on your device, the PDF will either download automatically or open in a new browser tab. Now, from there, you can tap the share icon to email the receipt, save it to your cloud storage, or print it directly. With your proof of payment in hand, you're all set. If this guide made grabbing your receipt easy, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick Remitly tutorials.